Welcome back to the channel, where we explore audio gear that combines performance, design, and real listening enjoyment. Today we're taking a look at the Edifier S300 Hi-Fi tabletop speaker system, a premium wireless setup created for people who want powerful sound without sacrificing style. Finished in a beautiful wood cabinet with a retro-inspired look, these speakers immediately stand out in any room, but the real magic happens inside. Powered by a strong amplifier system, the S3000 delivers detailed mids, clear highs, and deep, controlled bass that easily fills a living space, making everything from music and movies to podcasts sound balanced and immersive even at higher volumes. What really elevates the experience is support for high-resolution wireless audio through LDAC, allowing higher quality Bluetooth streaming with better clarity and a wider soundstage compared to standard connections. Modern features like Bluetooth connectivity, AirPlay 2 support, and multi-room compatibility make it easy to integrate into smart home setups, while multiple inputs including USB-C and auxiliary connections ensure compatibility with TVs, laptops, phones, or even turntables with a preamp. You can also pair two speakers for true stereo separation, creating a more authentic hi-fi listening environment. The solid wooden enclosure helps minimize vibration and distortion, contributing to a warmer and more natural sound profile, and the included remote adds everyday convenience. Overall, the Edifier S3000 is a strong choice for anyone looking for a stylish, yet powerful speaker system that blends classic aesthetics with modern wireless audio performance.